Hey guys and girls, right, tonight I'm going to show you how to sort out the error code E15 on a Bosch dishwasher. But first I'm going to show you the symptoms of an error code E15. As you can hear, the pump is trying to pump something, but in the machine itself there's no water. What the error code is showing you that underneath the machine, in the trough, which is sort of like a catchment trough for any excess water that goes through the seals, it's got to a point now which has activated a switch and is now showing the error. So now I'll show you how to fix it. But before we do that, please remember, electricity kills. So make sure that you switch the machine off at the wall so that you do not get an electric shock. I've already removed the screws, which were here and here. Now what I'm going to do is just pull on this plate and it should pull out. Now, behind this plate is this piece of soundproofing, and now underneath there, see if I can move you in and we can get a picture. Let's bring you up a bit. And that's your trough. Now, let's see if I can get this on camera. It's a bit difficult. But basically, the trough is in here. So all this is full with water. And what we're going to do is nothing more. Let's try and get a better light on that. That's a bit crap, that. I can put this on. That's not done it any better. God, what we're going to put it on. Right, now what I'm basically going to do is gently put something in there that will soak up the water. So let's see if we can do this without moving the camera, without. Now, please remember, switch this off. Unplug it from the mains. Don't just switch it off, unplug it from the mains. If you're going to get a belt, this is where you're going to get one. Normally it's a bit easier, but I'm trying to do this without moving the camera. So basically, lay something in here. Something that will soak up the water, an old t-shirt, a rag, a towel, whatever it is you can fit in here. But for God's sake, don't do what I've heard some people say, is take the machine out and tip it on its side, because in this box at the side here, you've got water in there and your salt in there. Now, so basically now what that's doing is that's laying in the water that's in the trough, because the water collects, I suppose, in the plastic bath, you could call it, and runs it to the centre. And in the centre, which you can't see, I can't get the camera in, there's a small piece of styrofoam, a small float. And when the water rises in there, it switches on a switch and puts in an error. So, let's see how we're doing. Right. What we'll do, is leave that for a moment and then we'll come back to it in a minute. Right, I've given it a couple of minutes. Let's just see what's going on here. A little piece of tissue paper in there, kitchen roll, and absorbent material, and then that will show me how much water is still in here. Right, so that looks pretty dry. Right, now I've got my rags out and everything's dry. What we'll do is just put everything back together at the bottom. So we start off putting our soundproofing in. Basically just pushes in. Like so. Then we take our metal cover, basically push that up to the top, and clip in at the bottom. That's basically it. Now, 2 screws. One screw. Two screws. Right. Now the switcher on. Right. Now to switch it on and test it. So there we go. Now by switching on, it doesn't automatically start pumping. And that was it. Job done. Something you can do at home, save some money. From me to you, stay safe and have a good one. Hey ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoy watching the content on my channel, leave a like, leave a comment and feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much.